Pampanga versus Iloilo. What can you say about the insertion of JB Bell?
Get a chance to beat itong Pampanga. This is a team that made 10 3-pointers in their last game. I'm sure Boss Manny will be enjoying this ball game. Of course, kung ganyan ang galaw ni Encho Serrano, ay talagang ma-enjoy ni Boss Manny ang larong ito.
Flores, Baltazar didn't go.
Are aggressive and they are really trying to close down on Balti on every possession. But sometimes it's very smart, can extend the floor with his shooting so that they want to contain him early.
Battle for the rebound ends up with MJ Garcia. Serrano in the open floor. That's too easy. Making it look easy. And here was Encho Serrano streaming by through the lane and get right in front of him. A tap from behind. Concepcion almost crashes into the broadcast booth. Serrano, this could be a slam. But he will settle.
And look at us, Habs. Muntik pa tayong tamaan at tawagan ng charge. But we see Pampanga really just wanting that victory in today's ball game. Wanting to avenge that loss. Not yet that basketball. They allow the other guys to kill them. Because if Balti is hot, he will do everything in his power.
Here you see Concepcion successfully getting the rock away from Josh Flores and finishing on the other side. Lots of turnovers early on.
The number 2 team in Zamboanga. And that is the effect of Coach MC Abolucion in this team. Threats here in the MPBL.
Offensive rebound for Matt De Leon. Concepcion falling away. He knew it was
Win today.
Armenion floats it up and gets it in. Armenion goes under the screen. They're daring him to shoot. It's Serrano will make them pay.
You see the energy of Pampanga.
JLC gives it up to Binuya. Binuya in the open floor. Apolonio tip in. Santos gets the 2. It's by Marlon Basco. 2-on-2. Larupa and Flores against JLC and Binuya. Flores will get it from the outside.
Specialty of the house para dito kay Flores every time.
Backs up against Omar Larupa. Binuya from the outside. He tiles it down.
So far, the 3-point shooting in the end game.
Binuya one-on-one against Andre Armenion. Loses it. Gets it back. Binuya will go all the way. Raymond Binuya.
Powerful Pampanga Giant Lantern.
2 points and a couple of rebounds. So 28-12 lamang ang Pampanga ng 16. Leo Guion making an impact right away. First appearance in this ball game.
JLC is forcing his shots, but this guy's a talent. He will eventually get it. And exactly on point off that screen, JLC gets that mid-range bucket.
It's to Marlon Basco. Sumido against Neil Tolentino, playing against his former squad here. Sumido swishes that 3 through.
Oh, that is the role of Sumido for this team. The third quarter, which was crucial for them to come back into the ball game. And here, he is starting off with his first shot and his first make. Past 2 games, he has really been aggressive. But this is a game where he is struggling because
United Royals.
the starting 5 of Pampanga are all back in the ball game.
Garcia, high looper, goes down and through.
Off the handoff, there was no...
That pass intended for J. Arongteco. Now the pitch out, Concepcion will easily finish.
Play, quick read by Justin Baltazar to Archie Concepcion. Same way they got the lead in the first quarter.
Iloilo trying to get a score here. Ongteco, the Pinoy step.
If you're Armenian, you don't want to make those kinds of mistakes.
They bring you this epic move of the game in partnership with OKBet. Together we win.
By 17 still.
Armenion drops it off. Larupay gets a pass from J.R. Ongteco. Great setup.
Na makakuha ng rhythm itong Iloilo. Getting all the attention is Armenion. 4 guys on him. Eventually.
FC is a sign of for the young team. Back to you guys.
Baltazar with the slam! A tough possession up in
them, especially on that playoff ranking. But one thing Coach MC doesn't want to see is this slam coming from Justin Baltazar.
Ongteco Straight away, 3. That's down and through para kay J.R. Romteco.
He has that.
Galing kay Echo Serrano. Under a minute to go here in the first half. Serrano makes space. Last shot time here for Iloilo. That is
Of Pampanga. Medyo hindi maganda ang tingin dito kay Santos. And this will give an opportunity.
points in their last game. 6 out of 13 from the field. Those are his first 2 points of this game. Concepcion looks up at the clock, steps to the left. That's a foul against Shaq Imperial on a 3-point shot by Archie Concepcion.
Cut the lead to 14. Pero mabibigyan pa ng 3 pagkakataon.
Has not been a very good free throw shooter this season. Only 58. It's back to a 17-point lead. And that's going to be it for our first half.
That was a very tough loss against Batangas. So coming into this,
Balti Baltasar, JB Bahayo, and JLC John Lloyd Clemente. Katapusan, getting Iloilo to a good start here in the third.
well,
Pampanga moves the ball. Bahayo on the reverse.
that is a good cut coming from Baguio. Again, all the
Tap from behind. 2-on-1. Navarro gives it up. Flores will score.
good read. Their opportunity.
That's only the second assist of Enzo Navarro in this game. Third leading assist man of the league this season. Jason Apolonio.
Why he cannot be left open.
Apolonio, this time it's a 2 para sa kanya. A steal for Pampanga. Clemente is ahead of the pack and he will get the
I
deuce.
think that will be Enzo Navarro again, still struggling in this ball game. Madrigal cannot get his usual buckets.
Altazar drops it off. Clemente. Navarro working with CJ. Katapusan, this time from the outside, swishes it through.
Much needed basket para dito sa Iloilo. He looks for the shooter, which was just behind him.
Nobody marking. Let's take a look at this move of the game in partnership with OK Bet. Together we win. They're Pampanga, showing their great chemistry. Vice Governor Lilian Nanay Pineda and board member Mylene Pineda.
The third quarter.
Larumay getting a score there for Iloilo. Tolentino drops it off. Almost a slam, but still 2 points para kay Justin Balti Baltazar.
Opportunity for Balti to finally, that's Tolentino. But an opportunity for Balti to finally get into double digits in today's ball game. Unusual for him to get it in the third quarter.
Gets the ball tap, baseball pass to the other side. That's stolen by Matt De Leon. Garcia drops it off. Tolentino soars and finishes.
A float for him to be able to get that bucket. Sumido really closing down. But Tolentino with the bucket, the finish, and the smile.
Upay struggling here in the third quarter. Concepcion pulls up. Thought he was pumped. Blown. MJ Garcia to Archie Concepcion. Goes inside. Aggressive finish. Pampanga has time for one final shot. 1 second left. The heave. Oh, it's in for MJ Garcia.
It's been that kind of a ball game para dito sa Pampanga. Challenge. There was someone in front of him. But MJ Garcia just found the right English. Gabi na, pero bukas ang bangko para dito kay MJ Garcia.
Iloilo. Let's look at that again. Kissing it off the glass. What a shot by MJ Garcia.
And you see his smile, even he was surprised that, oh my God, I made that three. You guys just gotta look at that smile. In today's game, but Clemente has been efficient in the short time he's been on the floor. And he doesn't need to do much because they are up by 33 here in the fourth.
Larupay. Serrano pops for a three. Two Iloilo players. Right, Azar. Carl Sampang, new player on the floor here for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. But that is not new to our eyes anymore. Enzo Serrano scoring from the outside.
In our league, but in today's ball game, Enzo Navarro only 4 assists but 0 points and 0 rebounds.
The league. Katapusan to answer. Rare basket for Iloilo.
Trying to power through itong si Mitchell Minus. Not the whole game.
No good. Flores with a rebound. Katapusan. Look at the transition defense of Pampanga. Flores over Baltazar. That's a score for Josh Flores.
Good aggressive move galing dito kay Josh Flores.
Working against Mark Nunez. Apolonio was hot from 3 earlier, and he continues to stay that way.
Apolonio, every time this guy is moving, he is always...
This was the setup. Serrano getting through to Jason Apolonio. Navarro, dangerous pass to Sumido. And he gets that three to fall. Sa laro na to para sa Iloilo. They get a stop. Sumido has one man to beat. He's gonna finish the break with 2. 85-51. Definitely no need to rush here for Pampanga. Serrano wants to get his third three, and he does. And here Enzo Serrano answering back with his third three-pointer of the game. Almost halfway through this fourth quarter. Long way to go. Sumido will try to get it back. It's a shootout. A lot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. And in the face, no problem para kay JR Sumido. Sit out into Serrano. Wants another one. He gets it. Enzo Serrano is really in their last game. Iloilo gets a stop. Navarro stops, pops. 3 is down para kay Enzo Navarro.
That was the first bucket para dito kay Enzo Navarro. Has at least 4-6-6 above guys. But he is still controlling that board above everybody, even his own teammates.
Try and play the right way. Yun. Basket. So these two teams having contrasting
plays in the end, and that is what he is asking for, perfection.